Hello everybody. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna discuss about submitting form with the form data library in JavaScript. To submit data, we will use Ajax. We will have HTML form. We'll extract this data with the form data Ajax key value, and we will submit this data to the server side with API in Ajax. So we need HTML form, we need Ajax, and we need an API.php. Suppose this name, we need to indicate the form. So we'll set our ID, form ID, and this form will get by form document get element by ID. We get form and we will extract the data. Data equal to new form data constructor, and we'll pass the ID, form ID. We got data and we'll pass this data. In the API, we'll pass the data and we'll print printer equals printer files. In the form, we have a name, input tag and its name, title, input tag, type file, and its name is files, and a submit button here. And on the callback, we are showing the output on success. Output dot text. We are passing data to see. Text, title, and file. Submit. We did the printer and we can see this callback. If we upload files, move uploaded files, files, and files, and temp name. And destination is to make a folder, images, files, submitted files. Status, status, if status to echo file has been submitted successfully. Else echo file uploading failed. Now we're gonna test. Test file submit. File has been submitted successfully. Images, image that is uploaded. Test to submit. Suppose no image, and we submit. File uploading failed. So in this way, we can submit the form in Ajax, and we can upload the file in Ajax, and we can also send our custom data append key value. Custom field, custom value. $, request. Submit. Title first one, then key, we set key as a name input, tag name and its value. Custom field, input tag and its value. Thanks for watching this video.